Alright guys, today we're going to be doing number 3, longest substring without repeating characters. So in this problem we're going to get an input of a string, and we have to find the longest subset of this string with all different characters. And how we're going to do this is we're going to have one counter that counts through the string one letter at a time, and another one that keeps track of how many letters the subset is long. And then we're going to go ahead and count from left to right how many there are that are different, and as soon as we reach one that's the same, we'll subtract one from that total, and then we'll go look at the next one. If that's the same, we'll subtract one from that total, and we'll just keep the maximum length subset saved as a third variable called max. So from that explanation, we got 3 variables, so they're all going to be integers. We're going to do I, j, and maximum, and then we're going to go ahead and loop through using a while loop, but we're going to need to use a hash set of characters for that subset object we were talking about. So we're going to go ahead and call it a hash set, new hash set. Here we go. Then we can go ahead and loop through as long as the second pointer is less than the length of the string that we get. We're going to go ahead and loop. So if we're going to say not the hash set that we created contains the letter at the character, or it doesn't contain the string letter at the pointer j. As long as that's not true, then we can go ahead and add that letter to the subset that we made called hash set. So we can go ahead and add that. So we're going to go ahead caret, that's going to be j, that pointer. And then we can increment j to go to the next letter in the set, or in the original string, so it'll go back through with the next letter in this string as the j. And then we can set the maximum to the max between 2 different values. It'll either be the maximum that was set on the previous time going through this loop, or it'll be set to the hash set that we're creating size that is going to contain all different characters from the original past string. And since it's going from left to right, it'll be or actually that won't even matter just because of the way subsets work. It could be like bb b, it would give you well, it just tells you how many different characters there are. So that's basically what it's asking. So you find the maximum value between either the hash set we're creating size or the old hash set without having anything removed. So in this next in this else statement here, so we're going to wonder what happens if the hash set already contains it, so it is a repeated and it's not a brand new letter. What's going to happen is we're going to just remove that from the hash set. So we're going to remove a character, the first one, because this is 0, and then we can go ahead and increment I to be the next one, so it'll remove the next one and keep going on and on and on. And then we can go ahead and put in return the maximum number, and this should work here. Let's see, what did we do wrong? Hash set characters, it's character. Oh, sorry, it's just character, not characters. That's my bad. And we messed something up again. Contains caret. Dot contains s dot caret j. That should be right. Let me double check this. hash set contains s.char@. This should be working. Let's see what's the issue here. Hash set of type hash set character. This is strange, so I don't really understand what's the issue. Oh, it was spelled contains. Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, that's basically the solution. It's right here. Go ahead and zoom out once here, but there you go. Thanks for watching, and have a nice rest of your day.